Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking your wake time and aligning immediate habits. This creates a stable circadian anchor. Once you choose a wake hour, expose yourself to bright light within 30 minutes to signal wake. Make the first evening moves, no naps over 20 minutes after mid-afternoon, and dim lights 90 minutes before bed to boost melatonin naturally. These are quick, actionable shifts you can do today because consistent timing and light cues are the biological levers that reset sleep drive and rhythm. Once your anchor is set, you focus on accumulating sleep pressure and strengthening cues. You should add 30-60 minutes of daytime activity, ideally earlier, to increase homeostatic drive. Then, if your bedtime is off, shift it by 15-30 minutes every 2 to 3 nights rather than forcing abrupt changes. This reduces stress and keeps sleep consolidated. Also, cut caffeine at least 8 to 10 hours before bed so adenosine and natural sleepiness can build. These steps reinforce both biology and behavior for lasting change. To finish, you create a consistent wind-down routine 30-60 minutes before bed, reading, light stretches, or breathing, done in the same order so your brain learns the cue. If you lie awake beyond 20 minutes, get up and do a calm activity until you feel sleepy. This prevents conditioned arousal. Make sure to avoid screens and bright light during that wake period. If after 4 weeks you still struggle, track patterns and escalate to a clinician. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia often helps when simple changes stall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.